Hello everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. Welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for ways to have a functional kitchen, including preparing delicious meals for yourself and your family, I encourage you to please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any videos that we put out weekly. In today's video, we will be making these delicious stuffed grape leaves. Now, this is perfect if you want to have something a little bit different and want to serve your family something a little bit different and making it delicious. Now, the thing about these grape leaves is that you can customize it to anything you like. You can stuff it with rice like we have done here, or you can add meat to it, you can add vegetables. It is completely customizable. So let's begin. So you want to start by preparing the rice, and the way we do that is we add in the vegetable oil, or you can use olive oil. Coconut oil will also work. Once you add in your oil, then add in your diced onions. Next, stir the onions in. This will prevent it from burning. Add in the rice. Be sure to wash your rice until the water runs clear. This also helps to remove all the starch that's from the rice. And if you need tips on how to wash your rice, please visit savorythoughts.com. Go into one of our rice recipes. It will show you exactly how we wash the rice. Stir in the rice, and next add in the mint leaves. Now, this not only helps to give it that earthy flavor that we like, but also gives it a nice fragrance as well. And this is very popular in Turkish recipes. Season it with ground pepper, we're also adding in red pepper flakes for just some extra heat, and we are also seasoning it with kosher salt. Stirring it will prevent the rice and the ingredients from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Next, you want to add in your water. You want to make sure that you cook the rice until forked through. And guys, be sure to reduce the heat because you do not want it to burn at the bottom. For the grape leaves, we are using these grape leaves here in the jar. I will leave a link in the description box below. I got these from Amazon. Carefully remove the grape leaves from the jar and place it on a clean surface. And be careful as you unravel the leaves. Starting with one at a time, place the leaves on a clean surface and add in the rice. Now, to make the stuffed grape leaves, you want to start by folding each side, the left and the right. This is very similar to how you would make a wrap. In essence, this is what we are doing here. Starting from the tip that is closest to you, you're going to roll upwards. Use your fingers in the leaves up and continue rolling until you reach the end. And that's it. Continue with the process until you have used all of the rice. Again, it can be tricky. Just use your fingers to help guide you. Place the stuffed grape leaves in a casserole. Add in more water. And we are going to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the water has evaporated. You also want to add in lemon, and that's just to give it some extra flavor. Cover and bring to boil. Remove the stuffed grape leaves. This is perfect to serve as a side or with yogurt sauce, and I'm telling you guys, this is absolutely delicious. We've had it with fish stew, so the possibilities here are endless. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to make these delicious stuffed grape leaves. The full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can be notified when we post videos. We post videos weekly. And see you on the next video, guys. Cheers.